Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Just released new product from Be Quiet, Light Wings LX fans. 140mm PWM on white color, available and on a black color. Triple fans in the box. So let's open the box to find out more about this product, install the fans at my PC and check the performance. I'm sure they look amazing with the LEDs. And included we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Screws, 3 pack of screws, 4 screws for each fan. Cables. It is about 50 cm the length. PWM 4-pin connection, and for the LEDs ARGB connector 5V, so you can connect the one fan to the other, the first to the second and the second to the third, and then with only one cable you can connect 3 fans at your motherboard. So easy. Built with high quality materials, the Light Wings LX fans are designed for long-term use, offering durability without compromising performance. The fan speed, it is 1200 RPM. Available in both 120 and 140mm sizes, allowing for flexibility in your setup depending on the size of your case and cooling requirements. We can see in this arrow, the airflow goes at this direction and is spinning at this direction. It helps that for the correct installation. So let's move on, install that at my PC, and I just can't wait to see the ARGB lighting. These fans are engineered to provide superior airflow and static pressure, making them ideal for both case ventilation and use with radiators in water cooling setups. The optimized fan blade design ensures high cooling performance even during intense gaming or high demand computing, while maintaining low noise levels, a hallmark of Be Quiet products. With focus on quiet operation, the Light Wings LX features a noise-optimized motor and fan blade design. Even at high speeds, the fan maintains a whisper-quiet operation, which is essential for silent PC builds or setup where noise reduction is critical. One of the standout features is the addressable RGB lighting. The Light Wings LX offers vibrant and customizable lighting effects that can be synchronized with other ARGB components in your system, such as motherboards, cases and graphic cards. This provides users with the flexibility to match their PC's aesthetics with their personal style or gaming setup. The fans support daisy chaining for RGB connections, minimizing cable clutter inside your case. This makes installation cleaner and simpler, especially when using multiple fans in your system. The Be Quiet Light Wings LX fans deliver a perfect combination of high-performance cooling, low noise levels and eye-catching ARGB lighting, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of their PC build. Whether you are into gaming, video editing or just want a quiet, well-cooled system, These fans provide excellent airflow and customization, ensuring both thermal efficiency and visual appeal. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews, PC builds and gear recommendations. Make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.